Tip 5, leadership and self-care. Lead by example and set a positive tone for your team, even if you're a team of one. Be inspiring and a supportive leader who empowers employees and other inspectors to succeed. Not like this guy. This guy is not a leader. He is not inspiring. He is not going to succeed. This guy does not put on his work shoes in the morning. If you haven't scheduled a job yet, what should you do? You go to work. Put on your shoes, put on your work shirt, and you go to work. You have so much to do. Work on your marketing strategies, learn something new, log into your Internet profile, connect with your website design company, talk to your neighbor, go to an event, pass out flyers, organize your tools, make sure everything is charged, make sure your vehicle is clean. You just go to work. That is leading by example. Take care of your physical and mental health as well. Burnout can be a significant motivation killer. Regular exercise. I just went for a 6-mile bike ride with my wife yesterday. Adequate sleep and time for relaxation are essential for staying motivated and maintaining peak performance. There's a YMCA 2 blocks away in my neighborhood. I just moved into a new place in my new neighborhood. And 2 blocks away, I found out there was a YMCA. Second day I was there, I joined. And I'm there 5 days a week in the morning. I'm not the greatest in fit, but you got to stay in shape. Take care of yourself. That's physical and mental and spiritual. That's a good tip because you can burn out. So don't be alone. If you're alone, you're going to burn out real fast. So that's why I wanted to share. And we can take questions if you wanted to. I don't want to take a lot of your time. I've already chit-chatted for 50 minutes. That's too long. On and on and on.